how to find VERO products on our eBay store. We can find this VERO product using SIG Analytics software. In the first, you want to install SIG extension. Now I will show you how to do this. Open your web browser and search here SIG Booster Chrome extension. Open this SIG Booster Chrome extension link. You can add to this extension to your web browser. Now I am already installed this extension. Now I click on my extension in top right corner. This is SIG Booster extension. Okay, now come to your SIG Analytics website. After I search some sellers here, okay, I am using this seller account to find VERO items. Click your SIG Booster extension and select your item location. And second one is competition check. Select the match title option and turn on this VERO check option. After, save this. Okay, now I scroll down this page. These items haven't any VERO program. Now I scroll down this page again. Okay, here you can see this item have warning icon. This is VERO product. We can find the VERO product using this warning icon. You can see this warning icon in this title. This is VERO product. We can't list like these items. Now I will search another seller ID. I am using this seller store. Let's check VERO items on this store. I scroll down this page. This is VERO product. And this is VERO. These three items are VERO product. This is another VERO product. This seller store has many VERO products. Please don't list VERO items on your eBay store. On this SIG Analytics software, you can find VERO items easily on your store. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you are satisfied with this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye. We'll go.